Michael has played a very important role in the upbringing of Sanjay Center. Many teachers will know that we had a center in Mapsa which was running from a place which was not suitable for special children. There were a lot of problems at that place. Leak जाताले आणि कितें जाताले म्हणजे अक्षरशः भुरग्यांची गोरवां कशी ती आशिल्ली. मायकलान इंटरेस्ट घेवन आणि आमचे आदले मुखेलमंत्री बाब मनोहरभाई पर्रीकर हांकां सांगून पयलीं त्या भुरग्यांक शिफ्ट केलें. Purvari Delta आमी जे स्कूल चलयताले it was only because of his efforts. And I'm very happy to say that time he had promised that he would be giving us a plot of land to start a vocational center. Normally आम्ही सदा म्हणता की पॉलिटिशियन उतर दवरना पण असो मनीस आसा ना तो उतर दवरता आणि करून दाखयता.
And to all the teachers and the parents present here, I would like to thank Mukta Optician as well as Sanjay School for giving me this opportunity. I am Dr. Mrinal Kurangi and I am an ophthalmologist, eye specialist who I have done fellowship in pediatric ophthalmology. So as a pediatric ophthalmologist, I would like to give a few tips to the parents who are all present here. I am told that most of the children who are present here are having some deformity in the form of mental retardation or hearing impairment, or it can be anything. So according to the studies, it is shown that any deformity in the brain can be associated with eye problems. So as parents, suppose if at birth there is any problem related to the birth procedure, suppose if the child is born preterm, suppose if there is any ICU stay, then there can be an eye problem because of the associated brain injury. So it is our responsibility as doctor and as parents also that we should have an eye checkup.
I'm very happy to be here, to be part of this great initiative by Sanjay School, Mukta Drishti Foundation, Goa Medical College. It is prevention is the only medicine for if something has to go bad. You have to prevent it first only. So if somebody can't see, in a long run, he can go blind also, if you do not take care at the first stage. So here it is Sanjay School, I think the chairman and Mukta Opticians have gone one more step forward and said that, okay, let us do a good eye checkup and see whether all the students can visually see properly all the letters and all. Sometimes we get so busy in our life, especially the parents, and sometimes the child can't see properly. And we just ignore it, saying that the child is young, maybe she may not be having an eyesight problem. She's too young to get it. But when you really take the child to a doctor, I think the first number is 0.25. No, doctor, 0.25 is the first number of the spectrum. So when I was having problem, I went to check. I got 0.25. They gave me a pair of specs to use. So I said, I'm okay, I can still read. After 6 months, again I started getting trouble because I was not wearing specs. So the number increased to 0.5. So the number goes on increasing if you do not wear glasses all the time, when you are reading especially. So today's initiative, it's a great initiative, and especially for the special children. You are very dear to my heart, and you are all talented like any other child.